Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the 1 peso Philippine coin. On the front of this coin you will see the portrait of national hero Jose Rizal and 1 peso, and on the side there is a Republika ng Pilipinas. At the back of this coin you will see the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and the year 1978 and the Ang Bagong Lipunan. And the lower side you will see the Central Bank of the Philippines. So now we will talk about this coin. The 1978 Philippine coin is part of the Ang Bagong Lipunan series featuring Jose Rizal with millions minted and generally low collector value. The uncirculated condition for regular issued but slightly more for special FM Franklin Mint, a circulated version value around 4.10 US dollar, making them common but interesting historical pieces. Coin details. Series Ang Bagong Lipunan, The New Society. Design features the portrait of national hero Jose Rizal. Mintage around 19.4 million regular coins were minted, plus a smaller number of special FM Franklin Mint version. Value. Most circulated coins are or worth slightly more than face value to collectors, with uncirculated coins ranging up to around $1.10, while special FM version are valued around 4.10 US dollar. FM mark check for tiny FM initials of if you have special uncirculated version, which increase its value. Condition higher grades like uncirculated coins command better price. So guys, if you have this coin, please check your coin. If there is a small and tiny FM mint mark, meaning that is a valuable and collectible coins. Okay guys, so before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3, and like my video. Thank you very much.